Hi. It's Benny, Tango Fox 3 Tango here, on the south coast of Iceland, at my station Mýri, contest call sign Tango Fox 3 Delta. So I'm here about 50 feet, 15 meters from the ground. Gonna try to repair an old mistake. So I'll turn the camera around here. See. So 2 years ago I built this homebuilt OptiBeam OB16-3. So that is a 4 element on 20, 4 element on 15, and 8 elements on 10. Installed it in the summer, but some of the elements started breaking up right during summer, so it was a bit strange, because you would expect them to survive a bit. But then I got a storm, and this I think it was in that storm in August, this 15 meter element just bent down, and so but the antenna has actually been working on 20 meters, because the 20 meter elements are okay, so to speak. They are okay. But when I started researching this, is that it came apparent that the local source here of aluminium tubes in Iceland has two suppliers, one from Denmark and the other one is from Germany, and they seem to the Danish supplier has non-tempered 6060 aluminium, but the German one has 6060 T6, or I think it's also called F27 in Europe. Anyhow, the shipment was from the Danish supplier, and so this is just unhardened, untempered aluminium. So it started breaking off, and in some cases it just broke off right at the boom to element clamp, and and that was mostly the 10 meter elements, and it's all kinds of destruction going on here. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna try to replace all the elements using the cherry picker here. I have already built them with the correct aluminium. It's the same aluminium I've been using in the other antennas I built since then. I have there's the 2 element of 40, and then there's a, you can't see it maybe here, it's a 5 element on 15 there, pointing east. And I also have more antennas there, monobanders on 20 and 15 and 10. Beautiful day. First snow in the mountains this winter here around, because it's not that high. It's about 600 meters above sea level here, the mountain ridge that I'm looking at now. And but a calm day. Hope it's not going to rain. It's a bit cold, 5 degrees, but should get it done. I just need to turn the antenna manually. It's fixed in normally it's fixed in east for the European pileups, and I have my work cut out for me here today, and need to get busy, because days are getting quite short. So about 7 it starts to get dark. So here's the 160 meter vertical top loaded, and then we have a 20 meter high full quarter wave ground plane on 80 meters, and also there's a small ground plane here for 40 meters. It's actually performing very well. Anyhow, 73 from Iceland, from Tango Fox 3 Tango at Mýri.